Go there.
Yeah.
You did that. You climbed all the way up. You did a good job. At the doctor's office, we're gonna get some flu shots. These two kids are getting their annual physical. And then...
But all of us getting flu shots.
Yeah, Zoe's getting a flu shot too.
Cora's not getting a flu shot?
Everybody's getting a flu shot.
So I just getting a flu shot and they're doing flu shot and something?
Well, Zoe already had her physical. She doesn't need a physical. She just needs a flu shot.
So Cora's needs a flu shot? And,
yes.
And just means Zoe just needs a flu shot?
No, you're getting your physical too. That's why they did your blood pressure. That's why she tested your hearing.
Oh.
It's just regular stuff that they test every year.
I was 8.
You're 9.
9, yeah. When I was 8, I already got my flu shot and it didn't hurt so much. I just felt like I was being kind of pinched, but my skin wasn't going up. I feel better if, like, Mom's sitting on, like, where Mason's sitting, and I'm sitting right next to Mom, and I'm, like, putting her hand. That makes me feel better.
Yeah. What about you? Are you worried about the shot?
No, I practice.
Okay.
My easiest way to practice is to grab a pen and slightly put into your skin for about 2 seconds to get the feeling of a shot, but not the aftershock. Because the aftershock is just this weird pain.
It's a good idea.
It lasts a while, but like, it doesn't hurt. It like slightly aches and almost tickles or itches.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Hi and welcome to Downright Blessed. I'm Crystal Keys. This is Zoe. Zoe, say hi. Hi. Are you so excited? We had a good day. Took 3 of the children to the doctor. Mason and Cora had their physicals. Everybody got a flu shot. Yay! Our oldest, Zenora, her appointment's not till Thursday, but I was really sort of nervous and dreading taking 3 kids to a doctor's appointment, especially this one who likes to climb and run and play, and I love you. And I took an iPad. Yes, I will use an iPad, so that's what we did, and it worked. And she sat in a chair, and so glad that everything worked out okay. Yeah. Go down the slide. Yay. But that's what's going on with us. Zoe was still able to do her online school. Glad that that appointment went well. I don't know why I was dreading it so much. Some doctor's appointments can go wrong really quick when you're juggling multiple kids, but this one went pretty smooth, so I was so relieved and happy about that. Zoe has a follow-up with her ENT, ear, nose, throat, with her ear doctor on Wednesday, and I'll let you know how that goes too. Thanks for joining us on this journey.
We're glad you came today.
Nice.
Hello, Miss Kathy. Hello, everyone. We're glad you came today. You're trying it out like she pulled all your fingers. And who is that? Alex, say hi, Jane. And we buzz it out. So take a big breath in. So we'll do a song in just a minute.
Big breath in.
Buzz it out.
Buzz.
Good job. You know what? Look here. Look at the giraffe. He's so cute. Which one is this?
E-I-E-I-O. In a farmer he had a chicken. E-I-E-I-O. I think this is taking it. The cluck, cluck, here, there, here a cluck, there a cluck. Everywhere a cluck, cluck, MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Nice job, Zoe. Do you want to pick more?
Do you want more animals? Zoe. Yeah, pig. All right, more animals, please.
One more.
Touch the pig.
Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Oh, awesome, Zoe.
Zoe. Zoe. I see you. Don't do it. Such a good. Oh, you're gonna go down. Okay, go down. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful, Zoe. Watch where you're going. You scare me. Careful. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Oh, you're so strong. You're a strong girl. Whoa, Zoe! You're so strong. Oh my. Go, Zoe, you can do it. Good job, Zoe. You can do it. You can do it, Zoe. You can do it. Good job. Good job. Zoe, you did it! Yay!